guys, are you taking a bath? Oh, is Grandma giving you a bath? Yum! Lap up all that water. Yum! Shay, did you already get your hair washed?
No, not yet.
Not yet!
Oh, here's some for you.
You guys are just having so much fun.
Did you toot?
Mm-hmm.